Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be hanging some flagpoles. So first off, to get started, we need to eliminate the foliage that is growing up over the pillars. I already have a flagpole mount there on that pillar, but I needed to get the foliage out of the way. This side does not have one. Again, there's more plant material in the way. I need to trim some of that dogwood bush out of the way so that it's kind of clears the view so we can see what we're doing. Doing an extra little bit of trimming up while I've got the trimmers out. So now we're going to take off the old mount that was bent in a storm. We'd had it for several years, so it's time to be replaced. Went to my local hardware store and picked up a pair of Valley Forge flagpole holders. These guys are metal. I wanted them metal because I wanted them to stand up to the weather out here in Nebraska. I wasn't fond of the idea of putting plastic ones out. I didn't figure they'd last super long, especially with a full-size flag. So now we're going to go ahead and check this location of these. I want the spot to be just right because I have a overhang on my porch roof there, and I don't want that flag to go up into that. I'd like to be able to utilize both positions if possible. However, we'll see later on in the video, using the lower section for half-staff memorial, it's not really going to work because it lays the flag down on top of everything on the banister right in front of it. But for now, we are going to go ahead and pre-drill the holes to mount those in. The wood on this pillar is fairly old, and I hate to crack or break anything while I'm doing it. I figured it'd just be safer to go ahead and pre-drill the 3 holes. Like I said, it's only 3 holes. Doesn't take very long. Might as well just pre-drill it. So pre-drill those, and then we'll screw these in, and then we'll come on over. Once I get that finished, we'll go over and put in the second one, and then we'll go from there. All right, well, that looks good. Flag's flying pretty free and not touching anything, so that's right where we want it to be. Now we'll move over to the next one. Now I show you a little cheat here. If you don't have your scissors, you can go ahead and use your hedge trimmers to open up the box packaging for the other material. Now again, we're back on the other side. I'm not gonna be overly particular or specific on where I mounted that other one. I just kind of eyeballed it on where it was at. I did a quick poke with the drill bit to hit my 2 spots so I can get the screws in. This side went a little bit quicker, mainly because you already had one process done on it. So again, we'll 3 holes drilled in. Go ahead and screw those screws in, and that one will be done. We'll go from there. Okay, so we got these both installed, and now we are going to go ahead and call this project done. I did check it at half staff again just to make sure, and not happy with the positioning. As you can see, it runs a little low, but that is something that could be remedied with a longer pole, so not a big deal. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them below. Also, if you like this video, please give me a good thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.